Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm sharing 5 tips that can help you to boost the way in which your landing pages convert for your WordPress website. So if you are a WordPress user and you are struggling with your conversions, then this video should help you out. Now this video is actually sponsored by Hostinger, and that kindly leads me into my first tip, which is to make sure you are actually using a hosting provider that is reliable, and that's because of speed. So you want to make sure that your website is actually speedy, because if your website is slow to load, then that can drastically impact the way in which your website converts. So think about it. If you want to go and buy a product from a particular website, but the browser is taking a long time to buffer, chances are you're going to exit out of that website before you even get the opportunity to make a purchase. And that could be happening on your website too. So with Hostinger, they have some packages that allow you to boost the speed of your website. And also if you're having any issues, they have a support team as well that you can contact. And you can also get a discount off of all of their WordPress packages by utilizing my coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description down below. But as well as having a hosting provider that is reliable, there are also cache plugins as well that you can utilize to speed up your website, and images for those of you who sell e-commerce products on your site. The images that you upload to your site can actually slow down your website. So you want to make sure that you're using compressed files when you're uploading images to your website. And if you already have a lot of images on your site, there are actually plugins that you can utilize to compress all of your images on your website to help speed your site up a little bit. And I'll leave some of those plugins in the description down below for you as well. So secondly, I actually use a plugin called Opt-in Monster. I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can utilize it. But with Opt-in Monster, this can help you to generate more leads than you are currently getting to your site. So the two options that I really like within Opt-in Monster is something known as an exit intent pop, and also the floating bar. So with the exit intent pop, what that does is when someone is about to leave your website, you can actually show them a pop-up that says, hey, you can get 10% off of our deals on our website, or hey, don't leave yet, you haven't registered for our newsletter, or whatever it is, whatever message you want people to see, you get one last chance to get them, to grab them before they leave your website. Now this can actually drastically improve the way in which your website currently converts. So I would highly recommend testing it and utilizing it on your website. If your site is already getting traffic to it, then this will only improve your conversions. You can also have the floating bar, and the reason why I like this feature of Opt-in Monster is because the option for people to click and to buy more, or to use a specific coupon code, or to sign up to your email list, it's actually available to people on mobile phones as well. So whilst they're scrolling through your website, they can see that floating bar if they're using a desktop, but also it's easy for them to see it and to click the call to action if they're using a mobile phone device as well. Now, for those of you who have e-commerce websites, you may also benefit from a frequently bought together plugin. I'll leave some of them in the description down below. But with these plugins, you may notice when you go onto Amazon and you're about to make a purchase, you can see people who bought this product also bought this and also bought that. And what that does is it helps Amazon to increase their average order cart value, so they're making more from the website visitors and customers who come across their website, and you can do the same thing as well. So what the aim is to get people to buy as much as possible on your website, and by utilizing these apps, you can show people specific products that complement the products that they are currently looking at. And this can help you to increase your conversions, increase your sales, and increase your revenue. So definitely take a look into that. And finally, you have email marketing. Now, if you've watched my YouTube channel for any length of time, you will know that there's a difference between getting a customer and generating a sale. So a sale is someone who comes to your website and makes a purchase, but maybe it never comes back again. But if you're utilizing email marketing and retargeting, you can actually get that customer to come back to your website at a later date, either through your email newsletter or if you're retargeting that person maybe with Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn ads or YouTube ads, for example, then that can help you to increase your conversion rate and increase your bottom line. So I'll leave some videos in the description down below where I talk about email marketing and retargeting in a little bit more depth. So make sure you go and check those videos out. But if you implement all or most of these strategies for your WordPress website, you should start seeing improved conversions. Now, I also have the formula, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales for your business online. As you can see, a copy of it is behind me. I'll also leave a link to it in the description down below. So if you're struggling to turn your website visitors into conversions, or if you're struggling to get website visitors in the first place, then make sure you go and grab your free copy. Also, a huge shout out to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. They are probably the cheapest hosting providers that I know who also offer a reliable service. So if you're looking for a hosting provider, or if you're looking to change hosting providers, then I recommend checking out Hostinger. Again, links to them will be in the description down below. And when you click my link, it will send you to my promo code as well. That will give you a discount off of any of the packages that you decide to go for. But I really do hope that this video brought you value. And if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.